All right, so today we have here the Bugani M118 portable Bluetooth speaker. Was $67.99. You can buy it on Amazon. Free shipping, of course, with Amazon Prime. Let's check out what's inside this box. Just a quick comment on this. I always prefer when it comes in the Amazon branded box, not the, the actual manufacturer packaging. That way, people don't know what's in it. Maybe it's a bunch of books. Who knows? But that's why I prefer it's in either this or a completely unbranded box. Shipped very quickly. I bought this on, when did I get this? I think I got this 2 days ago. It showed up yesterday, 1 day later. Right. Wow. All right. Inside the box, we have a plastic bag with another box. Here's our Bugani branded box. Little carrying handle on it. Real nice. I like it when it's this glossy box. That they put some work into their packaging. Let's see what's in here. Alright, this isn't so big, I guess. What do we have here? We have this really nice leather-like pouch for, oh wow, look at that. We got a microphone. So you can, I remember the advertisement said you could do karaoke with this. So you get the microphone. Looks like this is the cable for the microphone, plugs into the bottom of it. This textured packaging. Inside the box here, you see we have these big old foam pieces on the sides to protect it. This would be, I just got to tear this open. Oh, we have our standard USB-C cable here. USB to USB-C, I should say. Doesn't look terribly long, but I think this is only for charging, so you probably won't need it for too much. Here we have an aux cable. So it's nice that they included that. That's it for accessories. Let's look at the real deal. And here it is. The Bugani M118 Bluetooth speaker. Get that side. Now we'll try this side. They really get it in here, that's for sure. Oh, hello. Wow. So here it is. We have our subwoofers on the sides. This big old speaker on the back. Well, I guess the front. Along with a power button, a few other buttons here. Memory, play, volume controls. This looks really nice. This handle here, you see it's that matte black material. It's not quite a rubbery feel to it, but it's comfortable to carry. It's really not as heavy as you would think it would be. But it looks pretty nice. Here on the back is where your inputs are. So you have for the microphone, USB, USB-C, aux. Everything right there in one convenient spot. This is very, very nice. All right, let's see what happens when we turn this on. All right, I don't know if you can see that on there. There's a little bit of a blue light. Now it's flashing. I'm using my phone to record this video, So I'm going to see if I can connect from my computer and give this a shot. Also in here we have a warranty card. Activate your warranty, get a free gift. And of course a user's manual. Looks like it is in English. Perfect. We're going to try connecting this using Bluetooth to the computer. Let's see what we can find here. Bugani M118, there it is. And we are connected. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Let's see how this goes. Has a real nice depth to it. Oh, that's kind of loud actually. Didn't think it would be so loud. You can even see on the sides, probably not in the video, but you can see the subwoofers here shaking some of that bass. Anyway, this is it, the Bugani M118. Real nice speaker. Again, you can get it on Amazon, $67.99 plus tax. Another quality product from Bugani. I have a couple of their other speakers, and I'm very happy with them, and this is going to be no exception. So, hope you enjoyed, folks.